Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different than diving. We're going to be doing an unboxing. And this is a McDonald's Happy Meal mint condition box here. I did notice on the side there is a slight dent you can see there, but almost mint condition. The Marvels logo on the Happy Meal box. So this is going to be one in a million here. This is one of those instances. It's kind of like a worst movie recently coming out, and this is kind of going to be a collector's item. So I'll show you here what you can get. Is you have the choice between a apple juice or a Kids Honest tea or milk. I actually went with the Kids Honest tea, but for some reason they decided to give me an apple juice, as you can see there. It comes with an applesauce packet. I didn't choose that. And then an entree, which you're allowed to get a 4-piece McNugget, a 6-piece McNugget, or a hamburger. I, of course, went with a hamburger since I'm a hamburglar. And then finally, you get the kids' fries, you see there. But most importantly, you get the toy. So let's take a look at the front again. Okay. All right, let's see what's in here. So we'll open up the top here, if I can. Man, I'm excited. Wow, look at that. So there that is. There's the applesauce packet, of course. I'll take this off right there. And here are optional toys that we can get. So we'll see what we will get. Here is the hamburger. Right there. We'll take a look at that later. A small fry, a child's fry. Let's put that right there as well. And then finally, let's see. Oh, of course, napkins. And there it is, the toy. Wow, look at that. It's mint condition right there. Look at that. It's Marvel's Goose. That is the name of this toy. So right in the bag there, as you can see. Oh, look at that. The bag, it's actually packaged upside down. Wow, man, that's not something I get to see every day. It's definitely a collector's item right there. Bagged upside down. So there's the Marvels in the front, only in theaters. Look at that. Never going to come to DVD, I guess. And it's bagged upside down. Marvel's Goose. So there you have it. There's the whole setup. Here we'll put the Marvels there. And I'll put the hamburger here. You got the small fry, you have the applesauce, and I'm going to use these items to cover up the logo because, frankly, this is probably going to be a trash movie. So let's do one more. And thank you all for watching this unboxing. I think this is going to be a good one, going to go down in history. So you all have a good one. See ya.